What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Just like I promised, this is the review of the lens, as you can see. But this is pretty much a video of just the normal iPhone lens. I'm just walking and recording, so you guys can see the angle just on the normal iPhone lens, and I'll show you guys the other lens right here in a second. Alright guys, and this is a video with both of the lenses on, the 45X super wide and the 15X macro. This is both of them, as you can see. Both of them attached to the phone. How the angles look. A little bit wider in my opinion. Everything. So pretty cool. I noticed using these lenses, you know, a few differences. I'm include some pictures that I've took with both lenses, so you can see the comparison. But that's both lenses. Now let me do the other lens. All right, guys, this is the super up close lens. It's super close on this leaf, as you guys see. You see all the detail, way better than the normal iPhone lens. It's cool. Alright guys, back with both lenses. But yeah, that was pretty much my test of the lenses. I got pictures like I'll include in the end of the video. I gave you guys a video of the regular iPhone camera, this angle camera, the wide angle lens, and also gave you guys a close-up video on the leaf on the ground with the 45X lens. So would I recommend these lenses? Are they worth it? I guess if you want cool shots, like, I mean, they're not necessarily worth it where you feel me, to replace a, you know, an actual professional photography camera. But I mean, for cool shots on your iPhone, I would say, yeah, they're definitely a good pick. $40, come with two lenses, a light. Not bad. As you can see, it's the wide angle. All shot on the iPhone XS Max. So it's actual footage. You guys can tell for yourself. Yeah, I would definitely recommend the Xenvo camera lenses for the iPhone, or I guess any phone in general. I got it for the iPhone, so I would recommend good quality, super wide angle, get up close, magnified shots.